From abandoned tunnels to elevated tracks, we leave our signatures on the city's back. Like a nocturnal army, we stealthily creep, leaving our graffiti legacy while the world sleeps. In the shadows we dance, with colors as our partners, creating masterpieces that defy all borders. Each spray can a brush, each wall a canvas. Our expressions transcend, our passion boundless. Through rain and shine, our art perseveres. In the heart of the urban, we quell all fears. For we are the storytellers, the voice of the street. Our graffiti speaks volumes, our spirit never beat. Our graffiti speaks volumes, our spirit never beat. Graffiti legends, we the kings of the concrete jungle. Cans of paint in our hands, we ready to rumble. Taking over the city like a rebel alliance. No blank wall safe, we paint with defiance. Bombing trains, leaving our marks and dead at night. Tagging our names, making sure we're in sight. Unleashing our art, a visual symphony. With every stroke we painted a vivid memory. From abandoned tunnels to elevated tracks, we leave our signatures on the city's back. Like a nocturnal army, we stealthily creep, leaving our graffiti legacy while the world sleeps.